What makes welding assemblies faster and easier? An awesome weld fixture. This hub has 4 lugs welded to it. On this weldment there's 4 lugs. They're in red. This lug right here is off the center line 1.5. All other lugs are going to be located off of this lug right here. If you notice down at the hub, there's 4 holes. We are going to locate off of one of these holes. Each hole is 90 degrees apart. On the print over here, each lug is 31 thousandths up from the bottom and top surface. Down here at the weld fixture, this is the first operation. There's a circle where the hub fits in there nicely. It's slightly loose because of heat. You don't want it locking up in there. And here's the 31 thousandth step that the lug gets inserted into. We are going to put the hub on this post. We're going to insert this post in the hole so we can locate these 2 lugs. The hub has a hole right here. We're going to insert this pin in this hole. It doesn't matter what hole we use because they're all 90 degrees apart. Make sure that the hub seats all the way down. The lugs are inserted into this cutout. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tack it here and here, and we're doing the same thing over on this side. We're going to insert a lug here and tack it. We are going to insert this pin in one of these holes. And we got to make sure that this hub is down seated in the bottom of the fixture. We're going to take a lug, put it in the slot, and make sure that is seated. Hold it down with your finger, and we are going to tack it right here. Just short little burst, let the gas on there. We're going to spin it around, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Make sure it's down in there. Hold it down with your finger. Tack it. Leave the gas on. Now we're going to do the other side. Tack it. Okay, we have it tacked. After we tack this side, we're going to take it out of the fixture, flip it around, and we're going to put 4 tacks on these corners. You want to make sure that there's no gap. It's completely pushed up against the hub. And that is tacked good enough to go to the other side of the fixture to do the next operation. We are going to place it on this side of the fixture. Has the same cutout, same step for the lugs. The only difference is it has a pin here. Make sure the hub is inserted into the fixture, and then we are going to put the lug right up against this pin. Take this other lug, place it in the slot, and we are going to tack it. Leave the gas on it. We're going to spin it around. Make sure that this lug is tight against this post, and we are going to tack this one. Put it into the cutout, push down. Then we're going to spin it, do the other side, and we are going to spin it one more time. Do this side. Now we're going to pull it out of the fixture, and we are going to tack the other side of these lugs. You want to make sure this lug is nice and tight against the hub. Okay, leave the gas on, and there we got 4 lugs tacked to the hub. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to fusion tack going down without adding wire. And then we'll continue doing the rest of it. After we're done fusion tacking it, you should have a nice fusion tack on each one of these lugs. And then the next operation is we're going to add material. Fillet weld. We have to establish this radius right here, and then we're going to blend it in with a little abrasive tool.